The Apple Watch Series 11 uses a simple, tool-free, quick-release system. To remove a band, first ensure your watch is powered off or stable. Locate the Quick Release button, a small indented button, on the band end where it connects to the watch case. Press this button firmly, and while holding it down, gently slide the band horizontally away from the watch case. Repeat this process on the other side to remove the second band. The process should take about 5 to 10 seconds per band. If you encounter resistance, ensure the quick release button is fully depressed. Clean the band slots with a soft cloth if necessary. The band swapping design has remained unchanged, prioritizing ease of use. Attaching a band is equally straightforward. Align the new band's pins with the slots on the Apple Watch Series 11 case. Push the band firmly into the slot until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely attached. Gently tug on the band to confirm it's properly locked in place. Repeat this process for the other side. If the band feels loose, inspect the slots for any debris and ensure the pins are correctly aligned. All bands from Series 4 onward are compatible. The attachment process is purely mechanical and does not require any digital pairing or software adjustments. The system is designed for durability, with Apple estimating up to 10,000 band changes per watch.